Hello. How you doing? I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix the Hampton Bay ceiling fan. It's been only 3 years old. Um, it's going in full speed right now, super slow. So show you how to fix it because I already fixed my kids' room. It was bad too. It was really easy, so I wanted to make a video clearly and easy how to change it and buy the piece. When this happened, you just go to Amazon. I'm gonna put the link so you can buy the ceiling. This is a Hampton Bay from Home Depot, and you buy the motor and then just change it, and it's gonna be all good. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So first, you need to take this out. Screw this with your hand. Oh, all right. You can shut off the brake before for more safety, but I'm just doing this now, so later I can show you the whole process. So let me show you. This is the thing that we're gonna change. This is what is damaged. We bought the same one. We just need to replace it. I'm gonna take it out. It's gonna be easy. It's easy because I have the color. You see, purple, yellow, and gray and green. Orange. Colors. So we're gonna shut off the brake. Make sure you shut off the brake when you're dealing with cables, electricity cables. Okay. So we're not gonna have any light. That's why I brought my thing here so I can show you. Take out this. Disconnect this. All right. Let me see how I'm gonna try to show you how to do it. I'm gonna cut. What? Just gonna cut this here. Listen, this is the new one. You see? The same colors. This is the old one that I took out. You see? I cut. Let me show you. I cut the cable off. This one was attached with the other red ones. These are orange, but it's red. And see, this is a new one. You're just gonna replace this old one. See, the same thing. Same thing. You're just gonna replace it. Put it back with this. I brought this. I had this in the house. I'm not an expert, but this is easy to do. Super easy. If you're having this problem at your house, it's super easy to do. So I'm just gonna put back this. Let me show you. I'm gonna put back this. Let me show you. Connect. You see the same colors? Purple, yellow, the red ones together. And cover. Put it back. You see? Gray with the gray, purple with the purple, yellow with the yellow. This is a Hampton Bay fan. So they sell this at Amazon. They have it on Amazon for sale. It's $8. Super cheap. I prefer to buy this and fix it myself. I'm not an expert. I just change it because I saw it how to do it on YouTube. But they don't have a video on YouTube, so I wanted to make a video how to change it. It's super easy. Just put this, like I said, back all the colors together, and that's it. Put this back. You see this thing? You see this thing here? You see this in here? So you plug it back, black white with a white, and the black one with the blue one. Let me see if I can show you this. Yeah, you see the white one, blue one. So, and then close it. Okay, I put the new thing back, motor back. This is the old one. This is the old one. You see? It's cut. I already turned on the brakes. I hope it works. Let's try it. Okay. 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 Think it's working. But it's not in full speed. Okay. Now it's in full speed. Let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You hear the sound? Woo! Yeah, buddy. Okay. All right. No more sleeping bad. No more sweating at night. No spending money. Before you spend money, check videos on YouTube, okay? And check it out if you can fix it. I save $200 or $100, I don't know, just buying this online. Amazon is gonna leave the link below so you can buy it. It's easy to do. I really did it. 10 minutes. That's it. It's not bad to do. It's easy. Look. Wow. Thank you. Peace.